Welcome back. Today's video lecture for standard 7th. In previous lecture we have talked about the lesson that we have discussed about that chapter number 5, that was acids, bases and salts, right? And we have already discussed about acids. Few points I want to recap, like properties of the bases. They are sour in taste, they are good conductor of electricity, they may be corrosive, they are on the basis of classification we have talked about. They are grouped in two categories, like weak and strong acids, isn't it? And today we will talk about bases. Now let's find out bases. Okay, as you are able to see, there are few images of different types of substance which we are using in our routine life, right? Like uh, washroom cleaner is there, soap is there, shampoo is there, floor cleaner is there. These are the some example of bases. Okay, these are the some examples of bases. We talked about acids. Acid always are in test. For example, we had talked about like lime water, lemon juice, right? Then orange juice, mosambi, amla, these were the examples of acids. So we can conclude that acids are sour in taste. But if we talk about bases, bases are bitter in taste. Okay, bases are generally bitter in taste. So on the basis, how can we define the basis? Generally we can say bases are bitter in taste, the substance which are bitter to taste and have basic इंग्रेडिएंट्स. ठीक है, जो भी हम वॉशरूम क्लीनर, सोपी मटेरियल, शैम्पू, हैंड वॉश, जिस इस टाइप के जो भी चीज़ें यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसमें जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिक्स हुए हैं, दे ऑल आर हैविंग बेसिक नेचर. ओके, एंड द सॉल्यूशन आर बेसिक इन नेचर. Fine. So this is how the example is of the define like basis. Okay, next we will talk about again classification on the basis. Bases are basically classified in two categories, again strong basis and weak base. Okay, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस इट मीन्स ओनली, जैसे हमने एसिड में रीड किया था कि एसिड कैसे होते हैं, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड से दे आर कोरोसिव इन नेचर. ठीक है, दे माइट बी हार्मफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी. okay, they might be harmful. Same in bases. Bases are also comes in strong in nature. For example, sodium hydroxide and second potassium hydroxide. Okay, same again like acids. Weak bases are also there, like acids were also there, like weak acids. Bases are also comes in the this way, like weak bases are, for example, magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Okay, these are the examples of weak base. It means weak base जो होते हैं उनका इतना powerful role नहीं होता है in comparison of strong bases. Next we will talk about the properties of bases. Okay, as we talked about, acids are sour in taste, but bases always are slippery in touch. वी ऑल आर फेमिलियर, लाइक जब भी हम सोप से हैंड वॉश करते हैं तो हमारे हाथ स्लिपरी हो जाते हैं ना, वी आर स्लिपरी टू टच. ओके, सो वी कैन से ऑलवेज, लाइक शैम्पू है, फ्लोर क्लीनर है, वॉट एवर द सब्सटेंस वी आर यूजिंग, सच टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंस विच आर हैविंग बेसिक नेचर, these all are slippery in touch. Okay, second we talked about like define of the bases, that always generally bases are bitter in taste. Again, conduct electricity, same the similarity we have talked about acid में भी हमने ये point read किया था कि acid are the good conductor of electricity, or we can say they are the good conduct electricity. Same way in the bases also conduct electricity. So we can say there is a one similarity between acids and bases, they both are good conductor of electricity. Next we have talked about in acid case that as all type of acids are water soluble. Okay, all type of acids are water soluble, but bases are not like that. So only few bases are like that which are water soluble, and that are called alkalis. that are called alkalis, and few bases are not water soluble. Okay, so their role is not much important. Fine. So these are the few properties of the bases. Here, next point that we are going to discuss about, that is some uses of the bases. Before that, I want to explain that some common examples of bases, like first we will talk about sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, with the help of sodium bicarbonate, that is used in making बेकिंग सोडा. ओके, जो हम केक, बिस्किट्स, पेस्ट्रीज खाते हैं उसमें जो बेकिंग सोडा यूज़ होता है, दैट इज़ नथिंग, ओनली इट इज़ बेसिस. ओके, सो बेसिस बेकिंग सोडा कौन सी केमिकल से बना, दैट इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. सो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट वी कैन से दैट इज द basis. Second, the good example of basis, that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, with the help of calcium hydroxide, that is used in lime water, that is already having in lime water. Next, magnesium hydroxide, that we can find in milk of magnesia. Okay, magnesium hydroxide that we are getting in milk of magnesia. And what is milk of magnesia? It is nothing except antacid. Okay, milk of magnesia, that means antacid. Generally, see what is happening, sometimes we are having a stomach pain or indigestion. Okay, at that time what we are using, what we are taking the medicine, like antacid medicine we are taking. Okay, so such type of medicine when we are using, that is nothing only milk of magnesia. And uh, in antacid formation we are using the base which is used, that is magnesium hydroxide. Fine. Next, then soap like Lux है, Dettol है ना, Synthol, whatever soaps we are using in our life, they are just only basis. They are just only basis. जो भी हम shampoos use कर रहे हैं, Clinic Plus, Pantene, whatever the shampoo we are using, whatever soap we are using, they all are example of bases, and they are having sodium hydroxide. Okay, these all bases are having sodium hydroxide. So we have talked about the example like sodium bicarbonate that we are getting in baking soda. Next, we have talked about calcium hydroxide, that is we are having in lime water. Third, we talked about magnesium hydroxide that we are getting in antacid tablets. Okay, and next we have talked about sodium hydroxide, that is nothing only soap like like materials and substances. Okay, next very very important example is there, that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide we are getting in lime water. Okay, calcium hydroxide base we are having in lime water. Here one very important point is there that you must be clear about it, that is lime water and lime juice. Lime water, that is also base, but here I want to explain one most important thing, that is lime water and lime juice both are not same. Lime water and lime juice both are not same. Lemon water is acid, that we talked about in previous video lecture. Okay, lemon is acidic in nature, lemon's nature is acidic, but lime water is not acidic. So we can say lemon water is acid, whereas lime water is base, which is having कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ओके, जिसमें क्या होता है, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होता है, एंड कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बेसिस. फाइन. सो हियर come to the point where we left previous, that is some important uses of different type of bases. First we talked about sodium hydroxide, that is we are using in lab reagent, manufacture medicines, manufacturing paper, rayon, textiles, soaps and detergents. In these all things we are using sodium hydroxide. Okay, next, that is very important again, potassium hydroxide, that you already talked about, that is potassium hydroxide is used in प्रोडक्शन ऑफ डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स, दैट इज मीन्स, इसका मतलब क्या है, हम बोलते हैं ना डेटॉल, डेटॉल से कीटाणु मर जाते हैं, हैंड वॉश करते हैं उससे, लाइफबॉय इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट, जो कीटाणुनाशक सोप है ना, तो दैट इज़ नथिंग इज, दैट इज़ ओनली डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स विच इज़ यूज टू kill the germs, and that is used in again in soaps. Next, manufacturing drain cleaners, manufacturing liquid soap, lotion, shampoos. In these all substances we are using potassium hydroxide. Next, magnesium hydroxide, that is already talked about, like magnesia of milk, है ना, जिसमें एंटासिड मेडिसिन को प्रिपेयर करने में, उनके प्रोडक्शन में ये यूज़ होता है मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. एंड व्हेन वी आर यूज टू टेक whenever we are feeling indigestion problem or some acidity in stomach, at the time which medicine we are having, whatever you are having to solve such type of pain or problem, that all types of medicine are prepared by magnesium hydroxide. Next is there calcium hydroxide, that is used in whitewashing, manufacture bleaching powder, manufacture cement, wastewater treatment, manufacture agriculture pesticides. वाइट वॉशिंग यू नो ना, जब भी हम जैसे घर में चुनाव करते हैं तो सबसे पहले व्हाट वी आर व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू पेंट आवर हाउस, है ना, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर पेंटिंग बाय वाइट वॉश, पहले वाइट वॉश किया जाता है, आफ्टर देन वी आर पुटिंग सम अनदर कलर वॉट एवर ऑन डिपेंड ऑन आवर चॉइस. सो first of all which contain which substance which you are using in white washing, that is also produced by the calcium hydroxide. Next, ammonium hydroxide, by the help of ammonium hydroxide, that is used stain remover, manufacture nylon, plastic and dyes. In third chapter we have already talked about synthetic फाइबर टू फैब्रिक, है ना, जिसमें सम फैब्रिक्स वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड बाय सिंथेटिकली, है ना, सम fabrics are prepared by man-made in factories also. So such type of fabrics we are using ammonium hydroxide, that is nothing, only a chemical or which is having base in nature. Okay, so till here we have complete today's topic. In next video lecture we will meet with another points, that is indicators and salts. Till that, take care. Goodbye.